Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be making a green healthy detox for weight loss. Parsley improves your immune functions. It fights diseases and protects your blood vessels. The active ingredients in ginger can help fight infections. Cucumber contains antioxidants and promotes hydration. It may aid in weight loss and lower blood sugar. Cucumber fights heat both inside and out. Lemon contains a high amount of vitamin C. It supports heart health and helps to control weight. Mint reduces fever, improves mental awareness and focus. It reduces stress, promotes healthy skin and hair. This is to be taken before bedtime, twice every week. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.